All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Happy to report I broke another screen protector. And I break screen protectors left and right. I end up having my keys in my pocket with my phone sometimes, and I ended up doing it again with this one. It's probably hard to see on this one because it's a matte screen protector. It's a matte glass screen protector, but it is definitely broken. So I jumped online. I just jumped on Amazon and found a pretty good deal on these right here. I'll leave a link in the description, folks. This is a 3-pack for $3 or something like that, $3.49 or something like that. So I got on it. I didn't know it was going to be a 3-pack. I thought it said 2, but one of them is already in there, and then here's 2 extras. So it says 16 Pro, but this is actually for the 17 Pro as well. You get a little cradle here, and you get all the stuff you need to get it cleaned up and put together. So we're going to do that. This is the installation kit. Yeah, man. If you're like me, man, I break them. I don't really. I break them quickly. I think probably in a matter of maybe every couple of months, I'll slip up and put my keys in the same pocket as my phone. So it's crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all cleaned up. This is what you get in the box here. And again, you probably can't see this too well. All these cracks. You might be able to see them on the bottom there. There's cracks there, but I didn't get another. I actually had a 2-pack of these, but I couldn't find it, so I just jumped online and I bought some more. And when you take these off, it really starts to crack. But there were cracks. It was cracked on the bottom, and then as you can see here, that one just became even more pronounced as I took it off. But yep, I do like the privacy matte protectors, but this time I just got a clear. I believe I just got a clear this time. It's actually for $3 or whatever it costs. This is a phenomenal deal, and it comes with an installation tray. And I think they were on sale. I just looked lowest price prime, and I just got it. That's the truth. There was no rhyme or reason of why I went with this brand. So, don't think that, something about that. I just went on there and bought these because there was $3.50 or something like that. But I am going to put a link in the description so you can grab yours, because a 3-pack, $3.50. And, I'm being honest, man, I crack screen protectors left and right, which is why I wear screen protectors. A lot of people say, oh, you don't need a screen protector. But I'd rather keep cracking these screen protectors on my phones than to crack the actual glass in my phone. Now, while I do have Apple Care or whatever, I don't want to go through that. So spending $3, yeah, that's a win for me. It's a win. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. Let's see here, top. And before I do this, I always check it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it another little, get any dust out. It's nothing worse than when you're putting on a screen protector and then some dust gets in there at the last minute, man. So what I'm doing is always keep these things facing down just to be on the safe side, because there's always some kind of dust in the air, and it's always something, man. So I sit this down. I always give it a once over to check it out, and it should slide right into place. You can see like that. I'm actually going to pull this like this. I'm not gonna leave it on the table. Do it. There you go. I love installation trays like this. And it says to wait 10 minutes before you pull this off. I'm not gonna make you wait through a screen installation video for 10 minutes, son. It's not gonna happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep it a buck, because I know a lot of you guys probably won't wait the 10 minutes either. I don't think I've ever waited 10 minutes putting on a screen protector for something, like this. I don't think I've ever done it. But I'm gonna go ahead and just let it sit for a little bit. We'll go ahead and get it out of this tray, at least. I believe this is how you do this tray. Oh yeah, it locks in place right up there. So yeah, I'm already doing my thing over here. All right, so now you can see these little bubbles and stuff right here. I don't think that's the screen protector. I think that's just this plastic. Now that is a screen protector right there. These bubbles right here, definitely a screen protector probably. But you know what I'm saying? It's just a screen protector. And I definitely did look for matte. But I couldn't find matte at this price point. It feels weird going back to like a glass protector. And there's a little piece of dirt right there, looks like. Or it might be, no, it's not dirt. That's a little air pocket. Okay, cool. Yeah, so that went all great, son. But I'm back to the glare. Yeah, it's cool though. You know, I typically don't prefer the matte the clear screen protectors, but this is like having a new phone right here, son. This is a good screen protector for $3. Man, what? Yeah, this is crazy right here, son. It feels so weird going from a privacy matte glass to this. It's like a brand new joint, like I got it right out of the box, but I'm gonna rock out with this clear. I just wanted to share this with you guys, man. Let you guys know, you know what I'm saying? I messed up again. I messed up again on this joint, man. I cracked it again. They stay laughing at me in my group, so I'll be laughing at myself too. Because I think Gary had told me keys one pocket, phone the other. But yeah, man, it's a good feeling to put a new screen protector on there. Is that satisfying to you too? Like you get a new screen, it makes your phone seem like it's new all over again. But the angles on here are beautiful now, man. It's nice and clear. That's what I'm talking about, man. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Loving it. Anyway, it's your man Jay. I will link these down below in the description. So if they're still $3.50 if you have an iPhone 17 Pro or 16 Pro, grab it because it's for the 16 Pro and the 17 Pro, it says. But $3.50 for 3 of them. And I'm gonna put these in my drawer over here to make sure that I know where they're at. Just so when I crack this one, I can go straight back to it. So anyway, it's your man Jay. If you guys enjoyed, new tempered glass is on now. Clear this time, not matte, not even privacy. I'm gonna work with it though. See you in the next one. Take care.